What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Chespin from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing its face shape, so we're gonna draw an oval shape with the bottom part of the oval not joined. So we're gonna leave it open on the bottom part. Now on the lower left on the cheek, I'm gonna draw an oval shape like that, and from the lower point on the left of the oval, I'm gonna draw another curved line in the outer part, and continues on the side here as well, and it gets bigger. The gap gets bigger as you go up, and at this corner I'm gonna add a curved line outwards from this point over here like that, and I'm gonna add another curved line back, so we're gonna mirror the whole shape on this side. And I'm gonna continue the line on the side to the middle part on top of the head, and then I'm gonna draw another curved line out on the side of center here and go back down, and in the middle I'm gonna do a bigger one, slightly bigger, and go back down, and on the side we're gonna draw another leaf shape right there. And we're going to continue the curved line around the face on this side as well. And I'm going to draw another leaf shape at that corner, similar to the one on the left. Back down, and then I'm going to continue this all the way to the side right there. Now I'm going to draw on the bottom right side of the face here a tilted long oval from this point here going up on that portion right there, and we're gonna turn it back to the original point right there. And on the tip of that oval, which is also the hand, I'm gonna add a few curved line and one over there. Now going back to the face, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on the center above the head here like that, and in the middle, in the lower point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. That's the top of the nose, and with a semicircle corner, I'm gonna make a triangular shape, and semicircle point at the bottom as well. And on the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw an oval shape, which is its eyes like that, and inside of the eye I'm gonna draw another small oval in the center. So I'm gonna fill that the black part of the eye with now we're gonna copy the whole thing on the right as well. Now for its mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line from the lower point below the eye, like that. Then I'm gonna draw another curved line to the bottom and to the center of the lower part of the mouth, and go back up on the right side there. And in the middle, in the mouth, on the top portion, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and on the bottom as well for the tongue. And on the side, on the cheek, I'm gonna draw a line down there and a line to the side for the top portion. And we're gonna draw the same thing on the left side as well. Now going back to below the arms here, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the side and another curved line right there. And on the for its feet, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point over here and up. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down on the right side, and at the heels, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn back to that point over there. And inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw an oval on the heels and a curved line across in the middle section right there, and in the middle from the front of the feet, I'm gonna draw to the center there. Now we're gonna draw a cross on the left side in the middle of the right feet and the left feet, a curved line there. And then I'm gonna draw across a curved line and another curved line at the side. So we're gonna draw the same feet on the left side as well. Now for its left arm, I'm gonna draw the same shape as the right arms. At this corner here, and beyond the foot as well, and two curved lines at the tip. Now below the arms, I'm gonna draw something similar to the right side over there with two curved lines. And above the tail, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side like that. And for the tail, we're gonna draw a curved line down on this side, and then make a sharp turn back up to the right, and then a curved line across in the middle point here. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.